Audio by Echidna.
That was the turning point. Since that day, I've lived a lie. The lie of living. My name, too, was a lie. My personal history, a lie. Nothing but lies. I was sick to death of a world that couldn't be changed. But even in my lies, I refused to give up in
LELOUCH
despair.
Britannia command you!
Now this incredible power.
All of you!
It's mine.
Die! No, Shirley! You can't die! No, don't die! I order you not to die! Shirley! Ever since that day, my heart simply couldn't accept it. This fake life I was never able to fit into. All the time that was lost. These false memories planted in me, giving me a life as one of the herd. And yet, the truth continues to guide me toward it.
Those who could challenge my military rule no longer exist. Yes, from this day, from this moment forward, the world belongs to me. What do you do when there is an evil you cannot defeat by just means? Do you stain your hands with evil to destroy evil? Or do you remain steadfastly just and righteous, even if it means surrendering to evil? In my case, I commit evil to destroy the greater evil.